So today we're going to do a little training session on using the enhanced screensaver for VIP solutions. And right now I'm in the screensaver library. I'm just going to jump into and edit one of these items and we'll just start playing around from there. So hopefully you know how to get here. I started from within that library just so you could see me jump out and get to the editor. But yeah, if you need additional training on that, just contact us. All right, so right now we've jumped into, I already had this template set up. So we've jumped into it and now you're seeing this is the scrolling list full width with data being brought in, and so you're getting an image there, the person's name, along with any information within their bio that would be there. So that's going to scroll through. It's going to tell you what section they're in, and actually, let's show you the data that's being pulled in. We'll jump over here on the left side and we'll start from the top just to get into the style guides of things. So you're seeing the preview. We are pulling in data, so let's go to data settings. And right now you have modules set up that are within the content management system. One of them, I mean, in this instance, we have recognition and honorees. Recognition data, we have like the Barlow campaign, leaders of 10,000 or more, and that's the data. So if I wanted to change that up, I could say, oh, let me use this other one, and it's now going to be bringing in this new data. So yeah, you have the option of selecting each of these. Let me use that data. Now it's bringing in different data. But let's go back to what we originally had because it fit perfectly within here. So now you're seeing that it's scrolling through. Beyond that, we have all the data was selected. Then we have our scrolling list showing each of the different templates that we have within here too. So I may want to do a different template, which is the scrolling list with dark background. That's changed up the entire layout. Before we had the information of the campaign on top. Now it's over on the left-hand side with the names scrolling through. Obviously, there's a lot of space in between those names. That's where we start getting into the refinement of things, but we'll jump to that in a minute. So at least on the side here, you can see you have all these different templates that you can jump to. We have a post on the website that's a blog post that shows each one of these templates and an animation of what it looks like. So you're able to quickly access that and take a look. Next, we're going to get into text colors that you can change up. So we'll do some funky little colors just for the heck of it. We'll throw some blue in there. Just try a few different ones that are not going to be pretty at all, just so you can see what's taking place within here. Bright red. All right. Then I'll refresh. And now the new colors are coming in. And as you can see, not pretty at all. I guess group text line 1, there's no text within this text field. So yeah, we're not seeing that color anywhere. Hey, what the heck? Let's add something. VIP solutions in there, and then we will refresh. And now you see that text was just brought in there. So you have the ability to remove this text, add in new text, however you see fit. Currently, the text that is in there is being brought in from the CMS. So wherever any information that you have within there, that's being brought in. So yeah, you can check. When you select colors, you can obviously select from this color palette. If you know the hex number and you have brand hexes that you need in here, obviously you can pull those in there as well. I'm going to change these back to white just because those colors are so bad, I can't stand looking at them. All right, and then we'll refresh that style. And now scrolling back through. So on the side too, this is within a channel. So if you slide down, you're going to start getting into the refinement. And this is where we can really start honing in on kind of the look and feel that we want. Because right now, the spacing between those names, it's a bit more than we want to deal with. So let's change up that spacing for starters. We'll just make that 80 and we'll do a quick refresh. What's nice is you can quickly run and do a refresh and see how it's working. All right, that's not too bad. The font size seems a little on the small size as well, actually. So let's increase that font size. We'll do center alignment of the text. And then the scroll speed, let's make it go a little bit faster as well. Once again, we do a quick refresh. And now we see those fonts are a little bit bigger, the scroll speed's a little faster, maybe too fast now, but gives you an idea that you have the ability to change things up as quickly as you want. The other nice thing is you may have a small group of names here, and rather than just have it run through once and go to the next one, you may want to have this loop a couple times, so you have the ability to loop too. So that's a nice uh, item as well to run through. So we see that. We'll refresh real quick. Let's go back. We'll change something else. Let's do scroll list with images. So right now we have text that's white, so you're not seeing the text down there. I don't really like this one anyhow. Let me do a different one. Let's just do that. All right, scroll list with on white background, but here again, we want to change that to black now. Do a quick refresh, and now you're seeing, now we have that white panel that's on top of the image, and you get a nice contrast with the names popping off of there. So that's kind of a nice one too. So one of the things after you've gone through the process of doing all these edits here, and you've refreshed, and you want to return, you've got to make sure that you're saving these details, or else it'll go default back to what we had originally had. So I'm just going to hit save. It'll say, yep, enhanced item saved successfully. Head on back to the CMS. Great. So I have the ability to jump back, and now I'm back in here. So yeah, it's a quick way to start seeing some stuff, and we've got some fun couple new templates that are in here as well. Actually, I'll jump over to this one. We'll edit this ESS. And here's a new welcome message that we have as well. So it allows you to, if you've got someone that's coming to your establishment, be able to do a quick welcome to them, add their name in there, and yeah, and do a loop. Here in this one, we've got to continue, allows you to loop 4 times before it goes back to the next screen as well. So yeah, play around with it. Hopefully you'll have a lot of fun with it. And if there's some new templates that you want, certainly let us know. We're always happy to add new things to the enhanced screensaver and make it a little bit more fun for you. All right. Have a good one.